What's the meaning of charged? Charged. Charged.
Charged. Charged. The term charged has multiple meanings depending on the context it is used in. Generally, it refers to something that has been given an electric charge or a monetary charge for a service or product. When an object is charged with electricity, it means that electrons have been transferred to or from the object, resulting in an imbalance of charges. This can cause the object to experience various effects such as attraction or repulsion. When a person or entity is charged with a crime, it means they are accused of committing an offense and face legal consequences if found guilty.